These walking nachos are the perfect dish for your big game party. So easy to make and perfect for a crowd. Here's a look at the ingredients you need for the nacho dip. In a large pot over medium heat, add your ground beef. Now it's time to add that magic. The big chili style, the only seasoning you need for this dish. Get it from UncleDibbz.com. Mix everything till it's well combined and then set your beef to one side of your pot. Next, let's add the cheese. I'm using cheddar, use a little onion. Next, add some Velveeta, 1 can of Rotel, some jalapenos, and some cilantro. Pour in half a cup of milk, cover on low heat for 10 minutes. Once everything is melted, stir everything together, and then cover and let it simmer on low for another 10 minutes. Now grab your favorite chips, but don't open them regular. Sit them sideways. Cut the sides and down the middle. I'm using Doritos and Fritos, but feel free to use your favorite chips. Now while your queso dip is nice and hot, grab a ladle and pour that delicious queso dip all over your chips. The messier, the better. Trust me. Garnish with some fresh jalapenos and cilantro, and then tell your guests to grab a bag. Let me know which flavor you're grabbing first. Full recipe in the caption or in the link in my bio.
That's good, shorty.